welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed another hair video for you. You know how I love my hair videos. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this hair, then make sure you keep on watching. As you can see, it does look a bit crazy right now, but we're gonna fix that real quick. We're gonna make this real cute, you already know. So basically what I've done so far is I've just bleached the knots and I've plucked it a little bit. This is from Tinashe hair, by the way. It's 12 inches, 180 density, but I can't lie, it doesn't look like it is because it's not that full, but obviously because it's a bob, I don't really care. This hair, like this frontal, oh my gosh, I love it. I do love it because the way it plucks, it's like butter. Like I'll just be tweezing it and I'll just be coming out like butter. I love it. It just comes out too easily. It's such a dream to pluck, and I think I will continue to buy their hair just because of the pure fact that their frontals are bomb. Okay, that's enough talking now. That is enough talking. Let's just get right into the video. I don't know why I did that. First, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the lace. Oops. I'm gonna flip over the lace, and I'm just gonna glue. I'm gonna use this glue. I'm gonna use one of my sticks here, and once again I have a mirror here, so I will. Oh my gosh, guys, you like my flowers? They're so pretty. I have an admirer or whatever. Shout out to you, boo. But yeah, just gonna go in real quick. Guys, make sure to smell that. You're making it so good. Okay, I let that sit for like 10 minutes and I'll be right back. thing, but I'm gonna cut it and come right back because I have to look in the mirror. Yeah, like I said, this is looking a bit, the color of this is looking a bit questionable right now, but don't worry, listen, trust your girl. I'm gonna lay this wig, trust me. It's looking a bit crazy right now, but we're gonna fix this. We're fixing this, and I'm gonna do it good. Ow. You know, I just remembered I forgot to cut off my ear tabs. It's been a while since I actually installed a wig. I think the last wig I installed, okay, no, it hasn't been that long. I lied. I definitely lied. Definitely just lied just then. Okay, cool. Now I need this bit, and as you can see, the lace, I mean, in the mirror it doesn't look that bad, but obviously looks very bad on camera. I'm just gonna try fix this and BRB. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna spray some Got To Be on the perimeter, let it melt again, and be right back. Okay. Anyway, so I just went to go wet my hair. This is the curl pattern, real cute. Now I'm gonna attempt to cut it into a Pixi wig. Now this is gonna be interesting because I do tend to get a bit scissor happy and chop too much off, but we shall just see how this goes. So I'm gonna section it. The annoying thing about curly hair is, like, why does it actually get so, like, why does it, what's the word, shed so much? It's so annoying. And yeah, I didn't cut off the lace at the back of the wig, by the way. I couldn't really be bothered to do that. I'll do that another time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start cutting it off bit by bit. And I probably will get my sister to help me because she's here anyways, to help me cut some bits if I can't reach them. This probably actually would have been easier to do on a wig head, but we've already started now, so. This hair is it's actually so soft. Like, I love it. And I did wash and condition it before installing it. Honestly, didn't contemplate how much hair would go all over me. Ugh, I should have worn like a towel or something. Do you know what? I was looking to cut it shorter than this, but I don't know. I kind of like it the way it is. I feel like it doesn't really need to be any shorter than this, you know? I do, however, need to fix the frontal because I'm not liking the way it's looking. Oh no, this is cute. This is real cute. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this length and come back when I beat my base and just show you the finishing touch. Yeah, sorry, I'm feeling myself. I done my makeup a little bit different today and I think I'm feeling it. And I don't know how to feel about the hair though, because I've not actually had a hairstyle like this before. But yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Peace out.